So, good morning and welcome to Dubai. This is the Hilton the Walk. This is one of the loft apartments. There are four loft apartments, many other apartments, but the loft apartments right at the top of the building. And this is what we've got. Inside we have a kitchen with a double drainer. We have the tea making facilities. You can see here we've got Sri Lankan Dilmar tea. Here we've got ginger and honey, good to keep the corona away. To get that kickstart in the morning, we have a coffee machine, proper espresso type coffee machine. Also we've got a fridge and freezer. We've got a big capacity, super fast freezing freezer, making ice as well, but you can call room service, they'll bring ice. And it's Whirlpool, so that's a good brand. Also there's a large refrigerator. It's got a mini bar which is chargeable, and of course the rest of the refrigerator you can use for your own things. There are shops nearby, so you can go and get stores of your favorite beverage, whatever. In the cupboards here we've got plates. The next one, what have we got in here? Here's the glasses. So we've got champagne glasses, red wine glasses, highball, shot glasses, pitchers, whatever. So here we've got a storage cupboard, and there's a little tablet here, dishwasher tablet. The reason we've got a dishwasher tablet is because we've also got a dishwasher. So you might have noticed by now that this is a 180 video, so you can actually look to the left and to the right and see what's in here. Here we've got an electric hot plate, and we've also got an oven to make cakes, roast dinners, whatever. Also, so we can have our toast for our breakfast, and a microwave. And you can see some beautiful views from here. Safety items, we've got the fire blanket, and then there's an island here. In the island we've got all the rest of the things you need for making your favourite foods. You can have a fried egg, but quite frankly the breakfast here is just simply amazing. The main restaurant is lovely, but also the executive lounge on the 35th floor with Mr. Ras and his team. He's got a lot of Kabayan and some very nice African ladies there. They look after everything. They really are very helpful, very efficient, and make your stay a home from home stay. So we've got huge, great big windows here. Not every room comes equipped with a Sri Lankan lifeguard, but here's one of them. And looking through the window, here we can see Dubai Eye, the big Ferris wheel, I suppose you call it, in the world. Looking down on the beach here, you can see we've got this inflatable bouncy castle type place where you can run around to see how fast you can run around without falling in the water, I suppose. And there's a shopping mall here, open air shopping mall. Even though it's summer now, it's in the evening, it's quite pleasant to be there. And if we look further down, you can see the swimming pool. This belongs to the hotel, so there are two Hilton hotels here. We're in the Walk, but there's also the resort. And when you stay in the Walk, you get all the facilities of the resort as well. So that's the beach. The water here at the moment, if you see one of our other videos, it's like taking a hot bath. It's absolutely amazing. It's lovely. Very therapeutical at the beginning of the day, at the end of the day, when the sunshine's not quite so bright. So good morning. How's our Charindu? Charindu's good. So what have we got in the rest of the room? So the first thing you can see is we've got a washing machine, and it's a washing machine and dryer, and they start you off with a pack of Ariel. So if you've been traveling, you can freshen up your clothes, put them in the wash. It has the wash and dry facility, so that makes things very easy. Here we've got a lounge area, so we've got big 3-seater sofas, two of these sofas, so you can take 6 people in here, very comfortable of an evening. We've got more views after there. We'll have a look at those in a minute. Let's just have a look at the downstairs bathroom. So you've got a commode, you've got a bidet, and you've also got a hand shower. So Eastern, Western, whatever's your fashion for ablutions, you've got that covered. You've got a lovely sink here. We've got some beautiful toiletries, amenities, shower gel, shampoo, body lotion, hair conditioner. You've got earbuds, or should I say cotton buds these days. Got some soap, some lavender soap, and you've got shower caps, nail file, toothbrush, and all the rest of it. Here's the walk-in shower. So it's a bit of a noodles, it's a half noodle shower, but very, very nice. And here we go. So that's this room, the bathroom. Let's look at the views over here. You can spend ages. What's nice about this is the window sill is actually wide enough to be a seat, so you can sit on here and you can do video calls to your friends around the world and show them how great Dubai is. So looking out of this window, what have we got here? In the far distance you can see the Atlantis hotel. Closer to us you've got the Palm, and closer again you've got the airport or the airfield where they do all the skydiving, and Dubai Harbour where they do the Dubai Boat Show. Look at our other videos to see what happens at Dubai Boat Show. And some more hotels here, the Rixos, whatever. You can see maybe right in the distance, if I hold the camera steady, you can see the Burj Al Arab. So lovely views here. It's great to spend the day just watching what's going on. Over in this window we have the Dubai Eye again. You can watch the people doing the water sports on the jet skis, the flyboards, towing bananas, towing donuts. The company here is called Sky and Sea. We've been working with them for ages. They're lovely, wonderful staff, very friendly, very helpful, and whatever you want to do, they'll give you a great time out on the water. And of course the beach is great. You can see we have another video. It's an hour and 5 minutes up and down the beach. So it's a lovely walk first thing in the morning. Prepare yourself for breakfast. So here we are. This is the downstairs. I'm moving the camera fairly slowly because it's a 180 camera or 360 camera, so you can put your VR headset on, or you can move your phone left and right and see the rest of the building. So let's come upstairs. So this is quite unique. You've got 2 stories. You've got downstairs and upstairs, or upstairs and downstairs, as the old TV program some people might remember. So it's all very lofty, as you'd expect for a loft. Lots and lots of air. You never feel stuffy or whatever here. So here's the bedroom. Huge, great big king-size bed. You've got alarm clocks, radios, remote control, telephones, water, lights, whatever you need, charging points to charge up your phones and whatever. So we've also got this lovely view, again from the bedroom. It's actually quite nice to spend the evening in bed just looking up, see what goes on in the world. I mentioned earlier on you've got nice breakfast. That's a nice way to start a breakfast. Some beautiful fresh fruits. So again, beautiful views of Atlantis and the Palm. So and the new Hilton. New Hilton will be opening in the next few months, so they tell us. So what else have we got in this room? We have our own bathroom. So there's a bathroom downstairs, bathroom upstairs. Here you've got the hot tub with very long flexible hose. Again, even from the bath, you can have views of Dubai Harbour, whatever. All the amenities like we had before, shampoo, body wash, whatever you need, it's here. And if you run out of supplies, just give room service a call and they'll bring some more. So up in the master bedroom, here we've got 2 basins, so that him and him, her and her, him and her, whoever it is, can get themselves well prepared for the festivities of the evening. Here we've got one of these magnifying mirrors, and here we've got the commode, or the WC for Westerners. We've got the bidet, and of course we've got the baby shower, and again another walk-in shower here. So this is the master suite with its wonderful views. And let's just have a look at the rest of the apartment. I was going to say room, but rest of the apartment. So from up here in the master loft area, you've got a lovely vantage point. You can see the dining table, the breakfast bar, the island for the kitchen. Yes, here it is, very spacious, Here we are in the middle of summer. We don't feel the outside temperatures at all because everything's air conditioned, and the room you can see here, this is 4 meters high. It's lovely. And look at these windows. The views from these windows, simply amazing. So there we go. I'll just pause for a minute, hold the camera steady so you can scan around, have a look at your 360 view, and explore this room. We've got other videos where we've just left the camera still, and you can actually scan around yourself, move your headset around, or move your move your phone around left and right, up and down, and you can see just exactly what you get for your money when you come into one of these executive, spacious apartments. Don't forget, if you like this, please make a comment. If you'd like to subscribe, that would be great, but really we're interested in the comments, and if you can share with your friends, that's lovely. Thank you so much.